Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Steam user looking to update your payment method in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching credit cards, adding a new PayPal account, or just refreshing your info, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Steam has made some updates to their interface, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Steam account. Open the Steam app on your computer or visit the Steam website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on your username. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details to access your personal settings. Now, in the Account Details page, scroll down until you find the Store and Purchase History section, or directly search for Billing Information. Click on that to reveal your payment options. Here, you'll see a list of your current payment methods, things like credit cards or digital wallets. To change your payment method, click on Manage Payment Methods. This will let you view, edit, or remove existing ones. If you want to remove an old method, just select it and hit the Remove button. Be cautious, as this might affect any pending transactions. Next, to add a new payment method, click Add Payment Method and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to enter details like your card number, expiration date, and security code for credit cards, or link your PayPal account. Steam might prompt you for verification, so have any required info handy, like a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Once you've added and saved your new method, double-check by going back to the payment section. It's a good idea to test it out with a small purchase, like a cheap game or DLC, to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, if you run into any issues, Steam's Help Center has updated guides for 2025. There you have it. That's how to change your payment method on Steam in just a few simple steps. It keeps your account secure and your purchases hassle-free. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.